This is the corporate video of X Vise. In a video like this, the first question we should answer is, what does X Vise do? We are a consulting company. We advise customers on all aspects of logistics. In doing so, we have learned that customers have very different ideas about consultants. They develop ideas in windowless rooms, on vast quantities of paper. Ideas they usually stay on paper. They often seem overbearing and lack in practical experience. Consultants bring prefabricated ideas along and impose solutions, leaving the difficulties of implementation to the company. At X Vise, we take a different approach. Picture your company as a ship. You have logistical projects that you want to steer and objectives you want to achieve. These logistical objectives can and will be unique. As experienced specialists for such challenges, we will accompany you on your journey and bring with us right consultants for the relevant field. We work on the right approach together with management and the entire crew.
Hey!
Throughout the project, the consultants can take on different roles. With expert input from a wide variety of industries, we take on concrete work packages right up to the interim management of the logistics department. Our tasks also include project management and constantly monitoring the achievement of objectives. Combining your know-how and our expertise, we can overcome the challenges and risks involved in such a project. And we stay by your side until your objectives have been achieved. We already have many satisfied customers whom we have helped to safely reach the port. X Vise, inspired by experience.